In this video, let us understand how to install Visual Studio 2019. So it's the latest edition. Here we'll see like how to install in Windows 10. So now to install Visual Studio, so go to any browser. You can see that Visual Studio 2019 here. In case if you are not here in this location, you go to search. Here you can search for Visual Studio 2019 or Visual Studio download. So when you click for Visual Studio download, you can see that Microsoft Visual Studio, here is the website. So go to download. Here are the options. There are three editions here. One is community. It is a free download. For individual users, you can use for community edition. There is also professional edition and also enterprise edition. So these two companies can use, or if your project is too big, then you can use professional or enterprise editions. For beginner, for students, so community edition will do the job. So let's try with the community edition. Let us install the community edition. So here you can see that the file will be downloaded over here. You can click open file. So we have an installer here. Click yes. We can continue. So now basic download is over. Now that is installing. Fine. So here I have a window. So here it shows that what are the things you want. Now we can choose which are the one we want. So this is the basic edition. From this we need to select what are the options we want. So here you can see that desktop development. If you are using this Visual Studio for desktop development, we need to select this. So here by default it selects these options. So in case if you don't want some options, we can always remove that. For example, I don't want live share. Okay. So if I'm not using blend, okay, I'll take it out. Fine. So SQL Server is required for us. So therefore I'll choose SQL Server 2016 years. Next I can scroll here. So you can see that ASP.NET development. So we want this also. Therefore we can choose this option. Right. Anything else we want, we can select that option too. But even you can later also we can select the particular options. Now these things are ready. Now we can install this. So it's totally 9.17 GB. So click install. So it will download and install all these softwares into your system. It takes some time. So therefore wait till the total installation over. So therefore then later you can able to use the Visual Studio. Thank you.